Welcome to On Level. Today we're back in our Temple of Innovation, and this time it's two of us. Ivan is here and so am I. We'll mount LAZORTRACK today. For LAZORTRACK, we first place the rubber on the glass as we do for the other handrails too. In case of LAZORTRACK, however, we don't start with the handrail, but with the end cap. The end cap has an integrated function that's quite tricky. I can remove the end cap here by pressing the trigger below the aluminium cover. Once I press the trigger, the end cap comes off. I can now put the end cap back in place and remove it again. Now it's time for the base profile. As you can see, the corresponding recess for adding the LED is already provided. So we can now insert the LED strip. The great thing about the LED strip is that it doesn't just have single light spots, but provides a continuous illumination. The LED strip is rectangular and therefore has four sides. This is the inner side, and this side is the right one for downward illumination, which can be recognized from the slightly milky but transparent material. That is another inner side, and that the upper side, all white. For guiding the cable back into the profile, there's a turning point right here. This turning point must be located exactly on this spot. The turning point is not what you might think, but it offers the possibility to insert the LED in the dedicated channel and then wind it backwards to position it in the upper channel. We can now place the end cap over the cable, which gives the whole structure more stability. Please make sure to connect the two plug parts correctly. Absolute worlds first, we have the transformer integrated into the profile. Let's now connect the power supply. This is done by connecting the two plugs with each other. Afterwards, we lead the cable back into the provided cable channel in the profile. That's for the handicraft enthusiasts among you. We must place the cables crosswise, approximately here where the handrail passes over to the end cap. For stabilizing the cable, we use the end cap we've removed before and put it back in place. The LED strip can be trimmed at every point, and that's exactly what we're going to do now. Last but not least, we'll put the cover cap back on. Almost done. We've also developed a protective profile for the glass edge to hide this ugly cable. The protective profile is bonded onto the glass edge. You can then insert the cable into the provided channel and close it with the cover profile. Lights off! Spot on! For LAZORTRACK, there are pre-assembled inside and outside corners available. This is the inside corner, and Ivan has the outside corner. Here you can see that the cable channel runs along the inner radius, therefore it's an inside corner. This is an outside corner because the cable channel runs along the outer radius. You can trust your eyes, you can really guide the LED strip around the corner. If you use a power connection in the wall, here we have this pretty little wall connector. We simply place it onto the cover and can connect it to the wall socket via the handrail. Aluminium is especially well suited for exterior applications. For interior applications, we can use this beautiful warm wood tone. We can simply clip it onto the base profile. And here we have the fitting end cap. It can be easily locked in place here. LAZORTRACK is RAZORTRACK, the sexiest LED handrail system worldwide. That was it for today. Ivan and me say thank you. See you soon.
Bis bald.
Tot ziens.